Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you change or how can you edit your location on your LinkedIn application. So guys, let me clear one thing that you cannot do it directly going on your application or directly going on your website. You just have to create a new account or a new surface with a new email ID on your LinkedIn to update your details. So it will be better if you create a new account because old LinkedIn account have many of other problems. Like if you want to change location, you have to change your IP address also, then you have to change your profile also, then you have to verify it. So better is you just make a new profile for it. I will show you how can you do that. Firstly, I will go on my Safari browser. You can see this is already logged in my LinkedIn. What I've done, I just entered my email address and my specific password to create my account, and this is the second menu here, like is welcome Ashu. Let's start this video. Profile, see profile, job, and new area. What you have to do, like this is searching for my GPS location, that is Delhi, India. But what I have to do, I will click on that and erase it all if you are out of India, if you are any other country. So what you have to do, you just have to click on and select this video or states from here, like England, UAE, European Union, United Kingdom, and the United States. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. If you have any confusion, any question regarding any topic, so just beat it into the comment section. Thank you so much for watching the video.